Hey, this is Algebra 2, Lesson 28. Hopefully I'm going to have time to do a few problems from both Lesson A and Lesson B. We did a few in class, but I just wanted to do a few more because we ran out of time. Notice this asks for 3 consecutive even integers. Remember, integers are nice numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They can be negatives, but they don't really include like fractions and decimals. They're just nice numbers. They want 3 consecutive evens. For example, I'm just going to make some up here. I want you to see something for a second. Like this would be 3 consecutive even numbers. That's kind of what we're looking for. And I haven't done this one, so I don't know the answer. So what you're going to do, anytime you're looking for 3 even integers, you're going to let x be your first one. Okay, I don't know what my first one is. Maybe it's 28. I don't know what it is. I almost said 27. That's funny. Okay, notice the next one is going to always be 2 more. So this would be the next even number. And notice the next one, it is 4 bigger. So this would be x plus 4. So this would be your third even number. Okay, this is called defining your variable. So here's what I want to do. Find 3 consecutive even integers such that 8 times the first, and I'm just going to stop right there because I'm going to already do it. I'm going to do 8 times the first, okay, minus, okay, I can handle that, 2 times the third, so we're going to, this is the third, so I'm going to do 2 times the third equals 10 plus the second. So I'm going to do 10 plus, and here's the second. X plus 2. Now, I want to be sure I always see this equation, okay? It's not about finding the answer so much as writing a good equation. So let's solve this. Make sure when you distribute that negative in, that you distribute it all the way through. And that's going to give me 10 plus x plus 2. Okay, 8x minus 2x is what, 6x. This is going to give me 12 plus x, that 10 plus 2. I'm going to subtract x from both sides, add 8. So I get, what, 20? So I'm going to get x is 4. Remember, x was my first one, so my 3 even integers are going to be 4, 6, and 8. Okay? Now, this one, I'm not going to do the whole thing, but when it talks about 3 consecutive odd, you're going to do this the same way. Think of any 3 odds. I just made some up. I have no idea what the answer is. Always let x be your first one. Okay? Notice how much bigger is this one. Do you see it's 2 bigger? So x plus 2 would be your next one. And this would always be 4 more. So that would be my third odd. Now this is what freaks people out. It looks just like it was when it was even. And it's going to work just like that. So right here when it says 3 times the first, then just do that. Take 3 times the first and just work on it. It's the same thing. Okay. Now, let's look at this one. It says the baker has a mixture of 80% wheat flour and 20% oat flour. He also has a mixture that is 90% wheat flour and 10% oat flour. For this new recipe, he needs 10 pounds of a mixture that is 85% wheat flour. How much of each of the original mixture does he need? Gosh, my eyeballs are getting old.